Delhi Gate is one of the many southern gates built in the old walled city of, you can say, Old Delhi or Shahjahanabad. This gate was being built in 1638 by the famous Emperor Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan used this gate to offer his prayers in Jama Masjid. This gate is similar in architecture and design to the Kashmiri Gate, which is the northern gate of the Old Delhi only. This site is now maintained by Archaeological Survey of India. As you can see the lock on the gate, unfortunately this gate always remains closed for the visitors.
Delhi Gate is the solitary gate located at the edge of Daryaganj. Low maintenance, lack of facilities, and no such substantial architecture are the main reason for its low popularity. And for the people who are visiting this magnificent gate for the very first time, are disappointed with the lock on the gate. Though Delhi Gate is located in the middle of the road, but the irony is it does not attract much of the crowd. People come, people go, but no one stands still for a single moment to appreciate the beauty of this Shah Jahan's creation. Delhi Gate is managed by Archaeological Survey of India, but it seems that low footfall discouraged the organization, who ultimately decided to put a lock on it. If we talk about the strategies of the revival of the monument, the first and the foremost step will be reviving the facilities around the gate, like putting benches to sit so that one can sit under the warm sun and relax. The other reason why Delhi Gate is not so popular and has become a crumbling ruin is the lack of connectivity. The metro stations like Mandi House in New Delhi are pretty far away from the place. While talking about the buses, they have always been the least preferable mode of transportation. So, for a college student who wants to explore this splendid beauty, he will then have to pay 40 to 50 bucks for auto rickshaw. That's quite expensive for a student. More awareness needs to be created about the history connected with Delhi Gate. It needs to be spread so that it interests the people and attracts them to visit the place. With these steps implemented, Delhi Darwaza or Delhi Gate, we can say, can get its glory back from the ancient times.